Hi everyone! Ito po nangyayari. This happens when after the snows melt. So we have like a swimming pool here in our backyard. Thank God that we didn't get a lot of snow this year. That's what we are afraid. If we get so much snow, then we're gonna get some flood. We'll have flood. But this year we only have not much snow, and thank God that it's sunny now for the past few days. So we use the pumps, water pumps, to pump water so they don't get into our house. If we get a lot of snow, then scary because we get flood. So we always keep an eye on our water here. So we use the pump to pump out the water. Because sometimes if the snow are so thick and they melt when it's like March, so we try to block the water and use a pump to pump out the water. So the hose goes in here and yep, so the water goes in there, goes out there, and it goes to the field. So to keep the water away from our house. So it's sunny today, thank God. I hope and pray that we don't get a snow anymore. See, snow's melting, so they become water all over. And our house is at the back of the cornfield, so if the snow at the cornfield melts, so they go in to our house. Yep, we have river here. Here's our chicken enjoying the sunlight, the sunshine. All right, and here's another water here. All right, that's it. Bye everybody. Enjoy the sunshine.